Relax. Angelina, relax. Just relax. Hey, Trusty.
They're gonna beat me.
Well, they're not going to do that today.
They are.
On 23rd, 2024, an Apple Watch crash detection alert triggered a police response that would result in multiple criminal charges. This case demonstrates how modern technology intersects with constitutional law and DUI investigation procedures.
Hello?
Hi, Angelina.
Who's this?
This is Deputy Ramirez with the Bumish County Sheriff's Office. How are you?
Hello?
Yes. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, this is Deputy Ramirez with the Bumish County Sheriff's Office. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We just got I don't know, a notification. Is it your Apple Watch or something? Of like you're involved in an accident or did you fall or something?
I'm in my house right now.
You at your house?
Yes.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get involved into an accident? Did you fall or anything that your iPhone or your iWatch sent a notification?
No, I've been at my house for like a good 20 minutes, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. That's fine. Do you live in one? Is that the?
I live at.
Okay. Is it okay if we come by and make sure you're okay? You're not hurt or anything. We just want to make sure that you're okay.
That's fine. My mom is asleep right now, but I'm up right now. So I'm here.
Okay. And you said that the address is
Yes.
Okay. I'll be right there in like less than 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Bye.
Her drunk ass probably crashed into something and now she's hiding it.
Huh? Hi, Angelina.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What's going on?
I live right here. Like, right here.
A6 Delta November Yankee X-ray.
1362.
Okay.
Are you okay? You're bleeding.
Yeah, what happened?
I bleeded.
Huh?
I bleeded. I'm sorry.
That's
Do you
okay.
want fire rescue to patch you up?
No, I'm good.
You good? Where are you
Yes.
coming from?
I'm coming from, like, downtown. I live right here, I swear to God.
Okay.
Fire rescue.
26. You have fire rescue. Can you please wait? Female have lacerations to her knees. Airbag deployed.
She told you she's not in a car.
Huh?
Did she tell you she wasn't in a car?
She was in a car.
Yeah, I know, but didn't she tell you she wasn't?
Yes, she wasn't.
Carlton, right? The last thing?
Hey, do you guys mind?
Ew, why is she touching
Can
it?
you have fire rescue?
That's fucking a scratch.
It's not a scratch. It's all over you. Please. Is there anything else?
Let's just have
No.
her make sure to check.
We just want to make sure you're okay.
I'm okay.
I understand that, but we want to make sure because you're
No.
bleeding. The airbag's deployed. We don't know what kind of damage that caused.
That's fucking nothing.
You don't, what's that
Please.
from?
I don't know.
You don't know what it's from? Do you remember this happening? What was the area of damage that was caused?
Carlton,
No, it's hit.
13672.
You already checked that area?
I went to that, but it was just all of the area to it. That's where it pinned.
Yeah.
But see, there has to be a car or something damaged. Yeah.
That looks like a pole. Like it doesn't look like paint's transfer. It looks like a pole. Yes. Have what?
No, that's
Oh, oil.
I'm gonna grab my camera. I just realized I don't have it. She's getting her license.
okay, perfect.
She can get in the car.
It won't open.
It won't open?
No.
Let me see. Awesome. Hey, you can step out.
I can step out.
Yeah, you can step out and chill.
This is my house.
Okay,
I promise.
That's fine.
I'm so sorry.
no worries. So, where were you coming from?
I was coming from downtown.
Downtown where?
Like Camelot area.
What's your birthday?
2006.
What?
2006.
2006.
I live right here. I
Okay.
promise.
I understand. I just want to make sure that, because you're involved in an accident.
I was.
Okay? Yes. You're involved in a car accident. I just want to make sure that nobody got hurt in the process of it. Okay?
I wasn't hurt.
I know you're not, but I'm concerned that somebody else is not hurt.
I mean, no one else is with me.
No, we meant if you possibly hit someone else, is what we're saying. Like if
No,
someone
I
else
know-
was in a
I know
car
what
and
you're
you
saying.
hit them, that's what we're worried about. Because we know you're here, you're fine.
No, I know.
What?
I don't know about.
Downtown. Hey.
Is anyone?
The initial welfare check was constitutionally sound under Michigan versus Tyler. The emergency aid exception permits warrantless contact when officers have objectively reasonable belief that someone needs immediate assistance. The crash notification combined with visible facial injuries created exigent circumstances justifying Deputy Ramirez's warrantless approach. Fourth Amendment protections yield to genuine emergency situations. The vehicle damage, deployed airbags, and injury pattern consistent with airbag deployment established reasonable suspicion. Under Terry v. Ohio, this justified continued investigation beyond the initial welfare check. Angelina's contradictory statements elevated suspicion to probable cause. She claimed 8 minutes at home, then admitted coming from downtown, then denied driving entirely. These inconsistencies are admissible consciousness of guilt evidence.
Look. She hit. It wasn't something low. It had to be I think it's another car. Yeah. A pickup truck. Angelina, stand right here real quick. Stand right here, face me. No, face me. Okay. Can you put your stuff on the here? Don't worry about that. Just put your hands down to yourself. Okay? Perfect. Okay. I just want to make sure you got no injuries. I'm going to put this up for you, okay? Alright?
I'm I'm so sorry.
That's okay. How old are you, Angelina?
I'm 18.
You're 18? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, I'm going to have fire rescue check you out. Okay?
I mean, I feel fine.
I know you feel fine, but I just
Will
concerned
it
that...
cost money?
Huh?
Will it cost money to check me out?
No.
No?
No. You pay taxes, right? Your parents pay taxes?
I don't know. I'm broke. I'm not gonna
Okay,
lie.
let me ask you a question. Do you buy stuff? Do you put gas in your car? Okay?
I do.
Right? You do, right?
I do.
And
but
there's
I don't
always a
know
sales
insurance.
tax on it, right? Mm-hmm. That covers it.
Okay.
So you should be fine. Let's go walk to fire rescue, okay?
Okay.
You can leave the stuff over here. Angelina, what's a good phone number for you? Alright, this is the fake one. Let's go for the real one.
One.
Uh-huh. Alright. And that car whose car is that?
I mean, technically, it's on my mom and my sister's name. It's right there. That's literally where I live. I will stay home.
Mm-hmm.
It's on my mom and my sister's name.
Okay. Do you remember where you're coming from and where you're headed to?
Yes. I was coming from Camelot, and I was coming here.
Okay. Do you ever recall hitting something or hitting anything? The airbags of the car deployed or anything? Did you ever?
No.
You ever felt anything? You
No.
felt any pull on
No.
your seatbelt? Were you wearing your seatbelt at the time?
I don't think I was.
You didn't think you were wearing your seatbelt?
No, I mean, I feel perfectly fine.
No. But do you wear your seatbelt when you drive?
I think I was.
Okay. So you were okay. All right.
I always wear a seatbelt.
So it's the can you check if there's insurance on the registration of the car? That way I don't have to pull it out.
My car?
Yeah. It's registered and insured.
I
Because
mean,
you were involved in a car accident.
I was.
Yes. You crashed into 2 cars, right? You damaged 2 cars, and you took out a stop sign. So you did some damage with the car.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just wanted to make sure that was that. Okay.
Yeah. I'll go check.
No. Wait, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna have my friends check for you. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes.
Fine.
Is everyone okay though?
Luckily, there was nobody in the car at the time.
On my car?
On the car that you hit, the 2 cars that you hit, there was nobody in those cars.
Is my car okay?
Your car is not okay.
It's not okay?
No, man. Hey, what's up? Okay. So, my crash investigation has concluded, okay? I already did investigations for the accident, okay? So, I'm going to read this to you, okay? So now I'm going to proceed with a different investigation, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand that?
Am I gonna listen?
No, I have to read you Miranda rights. Your constitutional rights. You understand? And just because I have to ask questions or anything, and I already concluded my crash investigation, I don't want to hinder in your rights. So I have to read this to you and make sure you understand those. Okay? So you have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You understand that, right?
Yes.
You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements and during any questioning. You understand that, correct?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer will be entitled to your presence and representation of court. Appoint a lawyer before you make any statements and during any questioning. You understand that?
Yes.
If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you have the privilege to remain silent. You understand that? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand that? Any statement can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand that? Okay. After reading this rights to you, okay, can you tell me what happened today?
We moved to Chimel.
Camelot is what?
That's like downtown, like the club.
Okay, it's a club, okay?
Yes.
How'd you get in the club?
I just showed my ID, like a fake ID.
Okay, a fake ID?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the one that you provided me at the time of the accident?
This is the fake one.
Okay, so you had a fake one and a real one with you?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
That one right there is the real one.
Okay, one was the real one and one is the fake one?
Yes.
All right. So is that how you got into a club?
Yes.
Is that a 21 and over club?
I think so.
Okay. Were you drinking anything at the club?
I did have one drink.
What do you have to drink?
A vodka cran.
A vodka and what?
A vodka cran.
And crown? Oh.
A vodka cran.
Oh, cranberry juice?
Yes.
Okay. What was it, like a tall glass, short glass?
Like a regular glass.
What's a regular glass? Like a 16-ounce glass, an 8-ounce glass?
16 ounce.
A 16-ounce, so it's
Yes.
a tall glass.
Yes.
Okay. What time did you have to drink?
I think it was around like 12 something.
12 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay. And did you drink it fast or you just sipped on it while you were at the
I
club?
just sipped.
Sip on it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did you have anything else to drink besides that? Vodka?
No.
Did you have anything to drink before?
Before, yes.
Before you went to the club?
Yes.
So what did you have to drink before?
It was what's it called? Twisted tea.
Twisted tea.
Yes.
How many of those?
Just one. Just
One.
one tall boy.
One tall?
One tall boy of a twisted tea.
Okay. Approximately what time?
Around like 11 something.
11?
I think it was. Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. And then, what time did you left the club?
What time is it now? Sorry.
What time do you think it's right now? Roughly, what do you think?
Like 2 something.
It's about 4:30 in the morning.
Probably like 2 something in the night. I think
Okay.
I left.
And then which way did you drive home? Or
Around like,
did you drove home or somebody drove
I
you home?
didn't. My friend drove me home.
On what car?
My car.
Your car. Where's your friend at now?
She's home.
Where does she live?
Like around 441.
She lives around 441?
Yeah.
So she drove, you're saying that she drove you home. Did she drove you to her house and then you drove from her house home, or?
From my house to there.
How'd you get from the club to your house?
Hold on. She might have caught a ride with someone.
So,
I think she did caught a ride with someone.
so how did you get home?
I just got dropped off.
By who?
I'm not sure. I'm not gonna lie. I live literally right here. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. What happened to your car?
It should be right there.
Were you aware that you were involved in an accident?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I don't think I was involved in an accident.
You don't think you were involved in an accident?
No.
Not at all.
Is my car right there and is it involved in an accident?
Yes, your car was involved in an accident. You actually hit 2 cars and a stop sign. And the damages that is to the front of your car and your airbag is deployed shows that you were involved in an accident.
I was not.
That was not you?
I don't remember any of that.
You don't remember any of that? Did you black out, passed out, or anything?
Probably back.
Go Hernandez. Hernandez. Can you call him real quick?
Can I
He's
see
trying to
my
call me.
car?
Huh?
Can I see my
I
car?
will show you a car in a second. Can you call Hernandez? He's calling you. I know what he wants. I just want to know what happened to your car.
Am I gonna get arrested?
Right now I'm trying to investigate the whole thing.
I don't remember any like crash or anything like that.
Okay.
I remember driving back.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember its crash.
You remember driving back. You drove back home from the club. Okay. And then what happened to your knees?
I'm not sure. It could have been anything. I'm not going to be honest. I'm not.
Phone just dropped.
It's my phone.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. It could have been anything.
Come this way. Stand right here, face me. Angelina, you don't have any medical conditions, do you?
No.
Take any medication?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Okay.
Nothing.
You have anything that will stop you from or impede you from walking, standing, or any of that stuff?
No.
No. Okay. So. Hey, what was Hernandez one?
He just wanted to know if you could give the case numbers to the guy.
Yes.
I said yes.
Can you tell me if we can do the 3?
I did not ask.
Can you let him know? That way I can. So what I want you to do is, I want you to feet together, toes together, just the way you are. Put your hands down to your side. All right, and I want you to stay in that position until I tell you otherwise. All right.
Okay.
What I'm going to ask you to is I want you to follow this pen. What color pen is this? The
Blue,
tip.
it looks like.
What's the tip of the tip?
White.
White. What I want you to do is I want you to follow the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head. Okay? You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't move your head. Remember, keep your head facing me, but I want you to just follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Don't move your head. Yes. Just stay right there. You're good. Stand right there. Face my car. Okay. All right. So, what color tape is that?
Yellow.
I'm not trying to insult you or anything. I just want to make sure you know, it's at a fairly aligned, no debris on it or anything apparently from it. Are you comfortable with those shoes?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What I want you to ask you is, I want you to put your left foot on the line, right there on the edge of the line. Right?
Foot?
Yeah, left foot. And what I want you to do is, I want you to put your right foot heel to toe and hands down to your side. And stay in that position until I tell you otherwise. Do not move from that position. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. What I want you to do is, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. All right? Looking down at your feet. Every step counted aloud. Okay?
Yes.
Hold on. Don't go yet.
Oh.
Remember. Go back into left foot. Right foot in front of it. Touching heel to toe. Okay? All right. What I want you to do is, when I tell you the story, you remember, make sure you count every step aloud. Okay? Once you get to the top 9 step, take a small series of steps to turn around. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions about the instructions?
No.
All right. You may begin.
Ready?
Yep.
1,
Good?
You want me to go again?
No. Good. Okay. What's your level of education, Angelina? What's your level of education?
I just graduated high school.
You finished high school?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How comfortable you are with the alphabet? The ABCs.
I mean, I can do it forward, but I cannot do it backwards.
I'm not asking you to do anything crazy. I'm just asking you how.
I can just do it forward.
Forward? Okay.
Yes.
Are you comfortable with English or Spanish or any language? English is you comfortable? Okay. So if I ask you to recite the alphabet from letter A to letter Z, are you able to do it?
Yes.
Okay. So go ahead and stay in this position. Put your hands down to your side. Stay in there, okay? What I'm going to ask you to, all right, on the next task is you're going to close your eyes, tilt your head back. Don't do it yet. You're going to do it. Don't do it yet. Okay? When I tell you to do so, do you understand? Don't start until I tell you to do so. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. When I tell you to start, what I want you to do is you're going to close your eyes, tilt your head back, and I want you to recite the alphabet. Okay? From letter A through Z in this matter. A, B, C, D, E,
F, G.
just hear me out. I want you to do it in a controlled manner. I don't want you to sing it. I don't want you to rhyme it. I want you to just nice and control. A, B, C. Okay? I don't want you to do A, B, C, D, E. I don't want to do that. Don't do that, okay? You understand my instructions?
Yes.
So it's going to look like this. I'm going to be in this position and tilt it back. You're going to be, I'm not going to close my eyes for my safety, but it's going to be A, B, C, D, E, so on and so forth until I get through the letter Z. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So if you understand, do you have any questions?
No.
All right. What I want you to do is I want you to put your hands down to your side. I want you to close your eyes, tilt your head back, and you may begin.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, A, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, double X, E, V. Oh, fuck. D, E, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. All right.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not good at
I got you.
I'm not the most smart one.
That's why I just asked you level education and if you're able to do so, okay? All right? Okay. We're going to come closer to my car. All right, face it. You see that red light blinking up there?
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh my god.
No, just face that way.
Am I getting
You are getting arrested for driving under the influence, okay? And leaving the scene of a crash, okay? All right? Just turn it this way so it'll be comfortable for you, okay?
I'm gonna get so... My parents have me.
All right, Juliana. Don't move because I don't want to lock this up, okay? Okay. On. Move this hand this way so... Angelina, turn your hand this way. No, the other way, the other way.
Inside.
Inside, there you go. That's the most comfortable way, Angelina, okay? Okay, hold on, relax. Angelina, relax. Just relax. Hey, Chelsea. Well, they're not going to do that today.
They are.
Yes, please. And cross-reference the signature. I gotta take this off, okay?
My parents are gonna beat me. Please.
Or use the yard man. For it.
Your parents home?
My mom's home. My mom's home.
You want to get rid of this stuff? Like,
No.
you don't want to get rid of the necklace?
My mom. Why? Why?
stay right there for a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Don't sit on the floor. I don't want you to sit on the floor. Do you have anything else? Any jewelry, anything? Earrings, anything? Any piercings or anything? No? Do you have anything on you that...
No!
Relax. I'm just asking
I
you.
just want to go home, please. Please.
Not right now.
My parents are gonna fucking fucking beat me. Bro, please.
I get you, but I need you to get in my car, please. Okay?
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are. You're being arrested for driving under the influence. You're also being arrested for. You're also being arrested for leaving the scene of a crime, of an accident.
I didn't know.
Okay. All right, and you're also getting arrested for possession of a fake ID.
Please, I'll fucking take it. You take both. I'm gonna fucking. I'm gonna get beat, please.
Put your feet in there, please. Angelina, here.
Have a seat in that chair. Come up for me, please. Stand in front of this podium. Tight seal with your lips and blow until I tell you to stop, okay? You ready? Mm-hmm. Blow. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Take a ride. You have to give it to a minute observation. Take a ride. Go out.
Okay, this way.
Need the door open for me?
Yep.
Have a seat for me, please. Deputy, have you conducted a 20-minute observation?
I have. Stand up, Angelina. We're gonna go into this cell and take the handcuffs off, and then you can just relax for a while I do my work. Okay?
Her admission of consuming 3 vodka drinks was voluntarily given during a non-custodial encounter. Miranda warnings were not required. The Fifth Amendment only protects against compelled testimonial self-incrimination during custodial interrogation. The alphabet recitation test, while not NHTSA standardized, provided supplemental evidence of impairment. Her performance showed sequence errors, eye-opening, and repetition indicating cognitive impairment consistent with intoxication. However, the absence of horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, or one-leg stand tests represents an evidentiary gap. Defense attorneys will challenge non-standardized tests as unreliable and subject to nervousness rather than impairment. The arrest was supported by probable cause totality, crash evidence, vehicle damage, visible injury, alcohol admission, failed sobriety test, and contradictory statements. Under Graham v. Connor, this meets objective reasonableness. Handcuffing constitutes a seizure, but is standard arrest procedure. The deputy's concern for comfort during cuffing demonstrates professional restraint. No excessive force occurred under Fourth Amendment analysis. The search incident to arrest was lawful under Chimel v. California. Officers may search the arrestee's person and immediate area to remove weapons and prevent evidence destruction without a warrant. Discovery of the fake ID added a third criminal charge. Possession of fraudulent identification is independently criminal and suggests premeditation regarding illegal alcohol acquisition, strengthening the DUI prosecution. If Angelina is under 21, zero tolerance laws apply. Most states criminalize any measurable BAC for underage drivers, typically 0.02%, rather than the 0.08 standard for adults. The hit-and-run charge stems from leaving the accident scene without stopping to exchange information or report the crash. State law universally requires drivers to stop immediately after collisions involving property damage or injury. Her denial of driving despite overwhelming evidence constitutes false statements usable at trial for impeachment. While not separately criminal as false reporting, these lies destroy defendant credibility. The preliminary breath test provides probable cause, but is typically inadmissible as substantive BAC evidence. The 20-minute observation period preceding the evidential test is critical to prevent mouth alcohol contamination. Under Birchfield versus North Dakota, breath tests are permissible without warrant incident to lawful DUI arrest. Blood tests, however, generally require warrant or exigent circumstances absent valid consent. Deputy Ramirez receives B+. Constitutional compliance was solid throughout. Exigent circumstances justified initial contact. Probable cause properly developed through systematic evidence collection. His professionalism deserves recognition. Despite working 2 a.m. with an emotional, intoxicated subject, he maintained patience, clear communication, and appropriate concern for her welfare and comfort. The grade deduction reflects incomplete field sobriety testing. Relying solely on non-standardized alphabet test creates defense challenges. NHTSA validated tests provide stronger, scientifically defensible evidence. Crash scene investigation appears incomplete. Locating and documenting the actual impact site, measuring debris patterns, and photographing property damage would substantially strengthen the hit-and-run prosecution. Miranda warnings were never given on camera post-arrest. While not required for field investigation, any post-arrest interrogation should be preceded by advisement to protect statement admissibility. Angelina receives D-. She violated multiple criminal statutes through a cascade of poor decisions. Driving intoxicated endangered public safety and violated state DUI law. Leaving the accident scene without stopping violated mandatory legal duties. Hit-and-run statutes exist because fleeing prevents victims from obtaining compensation and obstructs investigation. Her false statements eliminated any credibility. Claiming 8 minutes at home, then downtown, then denying driving creates powerful consciousness of guilt evidence prosecutors will exploit. Fake ID possession demonstrates premeditation regarding illegal activity. This undermines any defense of accident or mistake, showing intentional violation of age restriction laws. Her cooperation during arrest prevents an F grade. She did not physically resist, attempt escape, or behave in ways requiring force. This cooperation avoided escalation and additional charges. However, every decision, from initial drunk driving through false denials, was legally wrong. The evidence against her is overwhelming and largely self-created through voluntary statements. Bumish County Sheriff's Office receives A-. Deputy Ramirez's professionalism reflects quality training and positive organizational culture. Body camera activation shows transparency, commitment. The slight deduction addresses standardized testing gaps. If deputies are trained in NHTSA protocols but don't use them, this represents a policy implementation failure requiring administrative review. Key lessons from this case. First, crash detection technology creates automatic law enforcement contact. Device users must understand These features trigger emergency response regardless of user intent. Second, leaving accident scenes transforms misdemeanors into serious criminal charges. Stop immediately, exchange information, and report crashes as required. Fleeing makes everything worse. Third, false statements to police destroy credibility without creating legal protections. The Fifth Amendment protects your right to remain silent. Exercise it rather than lie. Fourth, DUI. Probable cause develops through systematic evidence accumulation. Officers document observable impairment indicators building from reasonable suspicion to arrest-level cause. Fifth, field sobriety tests are voluntary in most jurisdictions, but refusal may be used as consciousness of guilt evidence. Understand your state's implied consent laws before deciding. Sixth, breath tests incident to lawful DUI arrest require no warrant under Birchfield. However, blood tests generally do require warrant, absent exigent circumstances or valid consent. Seventh, zero-tolerance laws make any alcohol consumption illegal for underage drivers. The .08 adult standard does not apply to anyone under 21. Eighth, search incident to arrest is constitutionally automatic. Once arrested, officers may search your person and immediate area without additional warrant or probable cause. Ninth, possession of fake ID is independently criminal with cascading consequences. It enhances DUI penalties, suggests premeditation, and creates separate charges. 10th, professional police conduct significantly impacts case resolution. Deputy Ramirez's restraint and compassion likely influenced prosecutorial charging decisions favorably compared to cases involving confrontational officers. This interaction demonstrates constitutional law in practical application. The Fourth Amendment permits warrantless emergency response, but requires probable cause for arrest. The Fifth Amendment protects against compelled self-incrimination, but does not prevent voluntary statements from being used against you. Graham v. Connor requires judging police actions from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. Deputy Ramirez's actions withstand this objective reasonableness test. Understanding these principles helps citizens make informed decisions during police encounters. Know your rights, exercise them wisely, and avoid compounding situations through poor choices. What are your thoughts on this interaction? Did Deputy Ramirez handle it appropriately? Should different procedures have been followed? Share your analysis in the comments below. Thank you for watching.